Hello, Assalamu alaikum. It's Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. I'm back again. Today, I want to make something light. I was in the mood for kھچڑی, but I said let me try quinoa and Moong Dal kھچڑی. So I have half cup of Moong Dal and 1 cup of pre-soaked and cleaned, washed, pre-soaked quinoa and pre-soaked half cup of Moong Dal. That's half cup. It looks more, but it's half because Moong absorbs a lot of water. Then I have some spices here. You can see it's minced chopped garlic, or you can have it minced. Either way, a teaspoon of salt. I have a teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, 1 crushed and 1 whole dry red pepper. I have 2 green chilies, and I have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And over here, I heated up some peanut oil because that gives a nice flavor. Since quinoa is green, that's very bland. So I'm going to, incorporate some kind of flavors and taste in it. So I chose peanut oil today. So let's get started. In 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, I added the garlic, cumin, coriander seeds, and peppers and everything to make the tarka. So I'm just going to toast it, and when everything is toasted and starts smelling nice, I will add the quinoa dal. You have to take my word for this. This smells amazing. So it's going to be a light, basic, nice tarka. See, everything is changing color and it's smelling very nice. I'm going to add the quinoa and the moong dal. I'm going to saute that a little bit and mix it real nice, everything together. So let the flavors come together, and then I will add some water to it. So if this is 1 cup of quinoa, that's 2 cup of water, and half cup moong dal, I will add 1.5 cup water. So that's around 3.5 to 4 cups of water. We'll see. If I needed to add something extra after 3.5, I'll do it. I can hear the quinoa popping in there. It's from a while now, so that's like 3-4 minutes already. So when the quinoa is popping like that, it's time to add the water. I'm going to add exactly 3.5 cups of water. And if we need more after that, we will do it. Give it a good mix, and let's cover it now. I'm going to keep an eye on this just in case it needs more water. It's starting to simmer. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and then cover it again. Alrighty, so at this point you can see the khichdi and the quinoa has perfect balance. Nothing is overcooked or undercooked. So by the time the liquids are dry, it will be pretty good, I'm sure. Because khichdi's are supposed to be comfort food, so they are on the softer side. And now I'm going to add some dry coriander leaves to it. You can always add whatever you prefer. You could have dry coriander leaves, you can add parsley, you can add fresh coriander leaves, you can add dill, whatever, whatever flavors you like. Oh, this is beginning to look good and smell amazing. And with that little bit of spice and flavor in it, I'm pretty sure my husband is going to love it because he is in need for some comfort food today. Something light on his stomach because he had surgery. He's recovering now, and so I thought it would be the best thing for him today, because being a diabetic is always a constant struggle. You try to come up with something. So usually khichdi's are made with rice and dal and the lentils, and I just replaced the rice. Bismillah. My quinoa khichdi is ready, and this is the red organic quinoa. and moong dal, moong lentils, and I made a nice khichdi out of it.